Means something more, yes. You know, I think it's kind of interesting that crosses have become so commonplace as jewelry. Because, you know, think about it. You really don't see anybody with an electric chair tied around their neck, do you?
Nope.
What?
Yeah.
Electric chair.
Electric chair is a form of one way that some of the people are put to death today. It's electric chair. You literally are strapped into a chair and they put so much electrical current through it that it kills you. It stops your heart. But you know what I want to say is when you see or you wear a cross necklace or you see a cross necklace, this one happens to be Miss Bonita's. Mine was a little bit smaller, and I want to make sure you could all see it very plainly. You know, think about it. Think about what Jesus did for us. The cross was at that time the worst type of torture there was. It was the most humiliating type of death and painful death a man could experience in their time. And the Roman soldiers were really good at it. But we need to remember when we see the cross, some of you know does anybody know what a crucifix is? It's the cross that still has a picture like Jesus, looks like Jesus on it.
Yeah.
We don't use those because Jesus isn't still on the cross, is he?
Nope.
He got off that cross, didn't he, Cameron?
Yep.
He got off the cross and he rose again on the third day. So today, when you see a cross, whether it be on a building or a church or a necklace or a bracelet or whatever, think a little bit harder about what it means. Just remind yourself of what, yeah.
Is it true that in some movies it says crosses will keep away demons? Is that true?
No. Your prayers will, though. Your prayers will. The cross, some people believe that. You know, I'm not going to tell you, I'm telling you it's your prayer behind the cross that's going to make a difference. That's what I think. You know, a lot of people do like to wear crosses. Some people have crosses they carry and all like that, and that's fine. But I think it's your prayer behind the cross is what's going to make a difference.
Power of the cross.
The power of your prayers, yes. But anyway, so that's what I wanted to show you all today was that the cross is more than just a piece of jewelry. It's a thing you can, whenever you see a cross, whether it's on a church or a building or somebody has a piece of jewelry or wherever, think about that Jesus died for me. He died that horrible, terrible death for me. He died for each one of you and he died